Hello. It's after 4 a.m., so I figured I better. I just gotta get rid of this stuff. I've taken so many. Wow, this is the 10th video. I predicted at least 15. I don't know. Alright, enough chit-chatting. I'm gonna get as much stuff as I possibly can out of here. Ooh. $10.46. No word of lie. I bought 4 of these. This is such a popular character. See the Lilo and Stitch shirts? Like, let's just say I used to go to Big Lots, for example, and they'd be selling shirts. And Lilo and Stitch shirts. I'd go there one day, they'd have 18, 20, 25 shirts. I'd go back the next day, they'd all be gone. I'm not even joking. Because I bought one as a present for my one buddy. Because they love Lilo and Stitch. Alright. Here's a warning, guys. Be careful with these things here. I got stuff out in the car. I got special boxes, not those big long Funko boxes like this. These big long ones. Now they have small ones with 6. And this one's Crash Bandicoot, I think. Crash Bandicoot. Be careful. Because I got a G.I. Joe one day. I got 2 G.I. Joes. Took them up to the counter. And I was like, yo, they're charging $15 retail at Walmart of all places. Well, they never did that. Never. They were always, I mean, the only other price besides $8.78, which turns into $9.31 after taxes, the only other price I seen for Walmart besides that, it was when they have like a clearance sale or a reduced sale or something. I seen price tags of $4.35 and $5.25, and I've seen them at a couple different Walmarts. So, but yeah, just be careful when they have those little limited edition stickers. Make sure you, well, if you take it up to the thing, I don't always, but they go through the scanner sometimes, like through the self-checkout. I gotta check. Sorry. I really have to check. Never mind, it's not open. I've been looking for these guys never ever give you money or discount. These guys gave me like a refund, $25 refund check. And I mean, who knows, maybe I put it in the bank already, but I don't remember putting it in the bank. It was out there. It was out there in the kitchen. And disappeared, it got legs and walked away or whatever. And I've been looking for it. I had like 3 different pieces of mail from them. That's the one I didn't open yet, so. Alright, I've got 3 Venoms in this bag. See, anymore I'm not going to do this, not with these kind of bags. But there, just to prove. See, all of them are the same. I don't know, I just have a feeling people think I bullshit. When I'm showing them, I'm like, yeah, I got 6 mega boxes of 2020 football. Well, I got 3 Prison Basketball mega boxes, blah, blah, blah. Well, at least now you know. What was this? Oh my God. I bought one just because of how great of a player he is. I mean, I know everyone like hates him right now. I don't hate him. I just think he's a jackass for talking like a fool. Just being ignorant and stupid. Just dumb and ignorant. What an adult. Talking about stuff he doesn't have a clue about. And then when he gets confronted, yeah. That's number 98. Yeah, I got another one. I knew I bought 2 of these. There were like 6 of them. I could have sworn I bought 2 the other day when I was filming the other one, but it was way over there on the pile, so remember. Oh, yeah, I think I told you. It's 4 in the morning here. It's after 4 in the morning. Trying to get this stuff out, but yeah. This jackass. Like, he's such a great player that I had to get it. And, you know, it's funny. Like, people used to like, oh, who's better, Jordan or LeBron James? And then you had the Kobe people. Like, only the Kobe people think Kobe was the greatest. Because unless you're a fan of Kobe, you know he's not even in the top 10 basketball players of all time. Not even close. I mean, Kobe Bryant, I'll tell you what, though. I'd watch him play, and man, when he was on. Sort of like the way LeBron James is, it just doesn't miss. But, I don't know. When Kobe Bryant's lawyers attacked that woman that he allegedly raped in Colorado, I don't know, I wasn't there, so I don't know what he did. But, I don't know. I think this is the extended series. Yes, it is. I'll have like at least 20, 25 of these things. I knew it. Mini portfolios. I love it. They only do it for Chilling Reign. It's like, morons. Why don't you go back? Why don't you create the same thing for Sun and Moon? Create the same thing for Sword and Shield. Create the same thing for whatever it's called. Oh no, Celestial Storm is part of Sun and Moon. But you have all these things that people love that stuff. It's gotta be Barnes and Noble. There's 2 of everything. Yeah. Let's see when this was from. This was from 8/14. I was going to say it's probably a Saturday, but I know there was a Friday the 13th during August, so this definitely has to be Saturday the 14th. I think there was like a real dumb movie. It's like a spoof that they made about Saturday the 14th. I don't know. It's like being in school and there was a shark in the hallway type of dumb movie. I don't know. Ooh, cool. I'm so glad I found this. So I bought these the one day and then I went back for more. I think they're double bagged. You know, I'm just going to take them out. Well, anyways, alright, this is a digital watch. I thought I could touch it. I touched it in the store and it lit up. Alright, this is a Pokemon one. Maybe the batteries died, I don't know. Alright. What day was this? Had to be like 3-4 days ago. Oh, really? Only 3 days ago. Well, yeah, I just said 3 days ago. They're watches. These things are so cool. It was funny because the one Walmart had them and The next one didn't. Then I went back today and I got more. I'll show you those probably in another video because they're out in my car. Maybe this one will work. I remember I touched the side of it and it just lit up. It's pretty cool. But these are all, there's like 3 different styles of Pokemon watches. Crash Bandicoot. I don't remember getting a 3rd Crash Bandicoot. Oh, that's right, I did. Because the boxes, there was 5 of them. And the boxes were terrible for 2 of them. So I didn't take them. And I went back the next day to look for cards and they weren't there. And here's one of those analog clocks. But there was like a bunch of Pokemon watches. And I took 4 and I left at least 7 or 8 of them on the shelf in case, you know, parents want to buy some for their kids. Didn't want to be a pig. I bought 4 out of the 11 or 12 that were there. They were all gone the next day. They were all gone. And it's funny because I was checking different Walmarts and some of them had them, some of them didn't. So I wound up, I did get more, like 4 more Pokemon watches today at a different store. But when I went back to that first store, the store that I went here that I up in Tunkhannock, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. They were selling watches for $1.50. I grabbed everyone. I didn't care. I'm sick and tired of being nice. I saw that. I was like, these are like $10, $15, $20 watches. It was funny. When I was looking around, the one store had them for $6.88. They were on sale, so I bought a bunch of them. But the other store had them for $26.94, $24.88, $22.76, $22, $24, $26 for those watches that I was picking up for like $6. And the $1.50 ones, I don't know how much they're worth. There was different things like Trolls, LOL, boys and girls watches, Frozen 2. But I was like, you gotta be kidding me. $1.50 per watch. This is good. I'm getting this clean here. Okay, I got 2 of the extended series hockey blasters, and I got 2. I think I showed you these before. I'm not taking them out. 2 of these big. Ouch. 2021 Topps Baseball Series 1, Series 2 sets in the big green box with a 5 special rookie. I don't know what they are. As a matter of fact, here's 2 more of them. Let's see, I was going to say Pittston. Let's see. Yep, Pittston. Because that other place I got hockey boxes and these things, and I don't remember where that was. 5 of the 660 includes 5 of 660 exclusive baseball card foil board parallel cards. And they also have the checklist on the back. I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to finish getting another bag in, so unless it's a real small one. So I figured I might as well show you the list on the back. I'm just going to put this here, just like that. Oh yeah, here, wait, I could probably get this in. Oh, that was one of those big pop things like the Skeletor writing on Panther. Here, stupid. I was at the Wilkes-Barre Walmart and I got single-sided notebooks, 1 of each color, and 2 Chronicle value packs for football. Yikes. So that'll do it for the video.